Welcome to our roundup of the best solar security cameras. Whether you're looking to protect your home, monitor outdoor spaces, or upgrade your security system without complex wiring, we've selected top-rated cameras that combine convenience, reliability, and smart features. These solar-powered options offer continuous monitoring with minimal maintenance, making them ideal for modern homes. We'll break down key features like video quality, battery performance, motion detection, and connectivity to help you choose the right setup. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the best solar security camera for your needs. The first on the list is the Reolink 4K solar camera. The Reolink 4K solar camera is built for those who want sharper visuals and more advanced monitoring capabilities. Featuring 4K Ultra HD resolution, advanced motion detection, and long battery life, it delivers exceptional clarity and performance. The 4K resolution provides incredibly detailed footage, allowing you to zoom in without losing image quality. This is especially useful for identifying license plates, faces, or suspicious activity with precision. One of the standout features of this camera is its intelligent motion detection system. It can differentiate between people, vehicles, and other movements, significantly reducing false alerts. This makes it ensure that you only receive notifications that truly matter. Combined with its powerful rechargeable battery and efficient solar panel, the camera can operate for extended periods without interruption. This makes it ideal for remote areas or locations where frequent charging is not practical. In terms of usability, the Reolink camera offers seamless app integration, giving you access to live feeds, playback, and customizable settings. It also supports two-way audio, allowing you to communicate directly through the camera. The build quality is robust, designed to handle outdoor environments with ease. While the setup process might take slightly longer due to its advanced features, the end result is well worth it. Overall, this camera is a premium choice for users who prioritize video clarity, smart detection, and reliable long-term performance. Next up is the Techage solar camera. The Techage solar camera is designed for users who want dependable outdoor security without dealing with complex wiring. With its full HD video quality, solar-powered operation, and wireless installation, it provides a simple yet effective surveillance solution. The camera delivers crisp and clear footage, ensuring that you can easily identify faces, objects, and movement around your property. Its solar panel keeps the battery charged throughout the day, reducing the need for manual charging and making it perfect for continuous outdoor use. Performance-wise, the Techage solar camera stands out for its stable connection and consistent monitoring. It supports real-time viewing through a mobile app, allowing you to check in on your home anytime, anywhere. Overall, the Techage solar camera is a great entry-level option for users who want a reliable, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly solar security solution. Next, we have the Eufy SoloCam 340. The Eufy SoloCam 340 is a high-performance solar security camera designed for users who want maximum coverage and smart functionality. It comes equipped with dual camera system, 360-degree coverage, and AI tracking technology, making it one of the most advanced options in its category. The dual lens setup provides both wide-angle and zoomed-in views simultaneously, ensuring you never miss any important details. What truly sets the S340 apart is its ability to pan and tilt automatically, offering full 360-degree surveillance. This means a single camera can cover a large area without blind spots. The AI tracking feature intelligently follows moving subjects, keeping them in frame at all times. Whether it's a person walking across your yard or a vehicle entering your driveway, the camera tracks motion smoothly and accurately. This significantly enhances security and reduces the need for multiple cameras. In addition to its advanced tracking capabilities, the S340 also excels in image quality and night vision. It provides clear and vibrant footage during the day and detailed visibility at night. The solar charging system ensures continuous operation, while the built-in storage eliminates the need for monthly subscription fees. Overall, the Eufy SoloCam 340 is an excellent choice for users who want comprehensive coverage, intelligent tracking, and a feature-rich security system. Coming up next, we have the AOSU solar camera. The AOSU solar camera is designed for homeowners who want a balance of performance, convenience, and smart home integration. With its no subscription storage, wide-angle coverage, and smart motion alerts, it offers a complete security package without ongoing costs. The wide-angle lens captures a broad field of view, reducing the need for multiple cameras and ensuring better coverage of your property. The motion detection system is highly responsive, sending instant alerts to your smartphone whenever activity is detected. It also includes customizable detection zones, allowing you to focus on specific areas and avoid unnecessary notifications. The camera's performance in real-world conditions is impressive. Its solar panel keeps the battery topped up efficiently, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Night vision is clear and reliable, and the two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with visitors or deter intruders. The build quality is solid, designed to handle different weather conditions without any issues. Overall, the AOSU solar camera is a smart choice for users who want reliable performance, cost savings, and easy-to-use features. The last one on our list is the Eufy SoloCam S220. The Eufy SoloCam S220 is a compact yet powerful solar security camera built for simplicity and efficiency. It features integrated solar panel, 2K video resolution, and wire-free setup, making it an ideal solution for hassle-free home security. The built-in solar panel ensures continuous charging with just a few hours of sunlight each day, eliminating the need for manual recharging. Despite its compact size, the S220 delivers impressive video quality with sharp 2K resolution. This ensures clear and detailed footage, allowing you to monitor your property with confidence. The camera also includes intelligent motion detection, which helps reduce false alerts by focusing on human activity. This makes it more efficient and reliable for everyday use. The wire-free design makes installation incredibly easy, allowing you to set it up in minutes without professional help. Another standout feature is its local storage capability, which means you don't have to worry about monthly fees. The camera integrates seamlessly with the Eufy security app, giving you full control over live viewing, playback, and settings. It also offers solid night vision and weather resistance, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use. Overall, the Eufy SoloCam S220 is a perfect choice for users who want a simple, efficient, and maintenance-free solar security camera. So that's it for the best solar-powered security cameras you can choose from. Each of these models offers a unique combination of features, performance, and value, making it easier to find the right option for your needs. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.